ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Lympung Ïalehkai First Meghalaya International Open Grandmasters Chess Tournament araja arpulai. Belapinya dekat Meghalaya Chess Association kalapoisha kabakut hakasngi balang hasai Indo Training Hall kebadan hanihu. Ya kenam Lahduh haka A kategori laradu pansu laya 11 ubana Georgia bad uyo ya ka kusnam pisa ke balai laktam. Ya ka kerdan baar la khurdo arun yak ghosh ublayo ya ka kusnam ar laktam bad ya ka kerdan balai la khurdo uratna karan ublayo iwe point san lak. Kidan kiwe pat kinong job halaki jong ki kategori balaya pya. Hagari ke junior kop lawan shimbentar ki grandmaster ki bana ki shiphodli kiri ke perthai bekintup ya ki bana USA, Russia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Georgia, Vietnam, Uzbekistan, Nepal, ba kumjo ki Nong Ïalehkai ki belawan na ki jilla ba pher jongkari.
Meghalaya Chess Association for having organized this program for the very first time in our state. And I must make a special mention of Mr. Swapnil and our other officials who themselves are chess enthusiasts and chess players and have been promoting chess in different ways at the grassroots level among the children of our state, whenever and wherever they got the possibility. We focus on our youth. And the reason why we focus on our youth is because we believe that the youth is the greatest resource that this country has. And we need to invest in our youth in every possible way. And the most important part of investing in our youth is to ensure that we are able to channelize their energy, their resources, their thinking, their entire positive aspect into constructive work for this nation. What you're seeing today here as part of this policy of ours is precisely to ensure that we are able to engage our youth. And let me tell you what we are seeing in the way the chess is being played, especially our young children. The kind of talent that we have is amazing. We just need to keep guiding them. We need to keep pushing them. We need to keep giving them the right knowledge and training and information and providing these platforms for them. Our chess association here, very, very dynamic and working very hard, and the kind of program we are seeing out here would not have been possible without his support. Very soon, Meghalaya will be having one of the largest sports infrastructures across the state in different parts, where we'll be creating large number of sports infrastructures for different kind of disciplines, and all this is happening under the leadership of Mr. Shakliar Wajri.